back to my channel. Carlos again. As y'all can know and tell, I got myself Holley Terminator, right? That's that computer. So those of you that have been following my channel, basically I'm just going to tell you that this is what I purchased, and this is the brand. It'll do oil, air, and fuel. Okay, 60 bucks eBay. Okay, and we're gonna install this so that I can get a digital readout of my Holley Terminator X. Okay, so what I did was I ended up buying an adapter. Y'all saw me take the lines out. Right now we're gonna install this. We're gonna put a little pipe thread sealant. Okay, that way so we can seal the threads. It can deal with fuel. See, fuel, coolant, power steering, brake, all that good stuff. So that way it won't leak fuel, and it's gonna go to my 3/8 line. This is this can measure from 0 to 100 psi. Okay, Holley sells one for about 150 bucks. So I was able to get this one. I believe it's the same company that makes Holley, the Holley brand Terminator. What it does is just they have their own stamp on it. That's it. So I don't think I can justify 150 bucks for something I can get for 60. And we're gonna go install it right now. So I also went on eBay, okay, and I got myself an adapter. So what this does, this will thread in, because I have my fuel set up with a 6AN line. Okay, so as y'all saw, this is gonna go in between these two lines right here. Come on, let's just hope I can aim good. So this will go right here, all right, this way, and then this one will attach to this one here. Okay, and then the sensor is gonna be right there. Just gonna do a quick thread so y'all can have an idea what it's gonna look like. Okay, and my Holley Terminator right here. Here's the part, the T-plug. I just gotta take these two zip ties out, move this thing over, plug it, done, ready to go. So here we go. I'm gonna quickly install this one here. I gotta put the pipe thread sealant there, and then I just have to let it set. Let me go grab that stuff. Wasn't even ready. Okay. Okay, so here we go. And basically I'm going to install this one on the main line, okay, where the 3/8 line is. This is the big thick one. These are just basically they snap into place adapters from quick connectors, they call them, for fuel. And it's actually an adapter that goes over to a 6AN line. So I'm going to keep with the, maintain the same setup, 6AN line, thread it in. Should be very simple, like what as you see, just threading it in place. And I just gotta make sure I have my sensor facing the way. Let me get my rag out of the way because I was catching some fuel. Alright, here we go. And I have to make sure the sensor is just right so it won't hit this, and it'll clear it. Then my line threads in. It's a 45-degree angle line there. Always by hand, thread it by hand first, and then we go from there. Well, hope I got it, but let's see. It's good to actually have I have a head mount camera, because I used to do this I used to be the one-hander type of guy. Do everything one hand. There you go. Okay. I just have to make sure this stays somewhat of an angle, but up and away from the plug over here from the wiper motor. Yeah, that's a good angle right there. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna tighten this over here. Sorry that I changed the camera a lot, but oh, it moves. It moves. I gotta make sure I keep it steady. Oh, okay. Okay. I get it. It works out because this will spin. Come on. I don't have the right wrenches right now. One's an 18 mil, I don't have the other one. So I'm going to go this route. I'm just going to tighten it, make sure it won't leak. Because I don't want to have a fire just because. Yeah, okay, that's tight. Good, I'm happy about that one. And we're going to tighten the back one now. Alright, let me see if I can make this work. Find a good angle and go from there. And able to tighten this one up. I may have the actual wrench for this one. Yeah, here we go. Yep. Get that out so I can actually use this little. I don't think I need this whole thing. I can use it right from here. That's all it is, so I don't get any fuel coming out of that. Okay. Maybe I got a little too much there, but I'm going to try to be a little generous and spread it out just enough. Got a rag over here. Okay, here we go. So I can move this. This can be moved. There you go. See, I want to clear this plug here for the wiper motor. I gotta think ahead. There you go. Looks good. I just hope you got all that. I hope I have a good angle on the camera. And here we go. Get this adjustable here. Should be good, but I'm just good putting a little pipe up there. That's nice and tight. Okay, good. For the kind of pressure that we got. Now I gotta work on this. Put this plug over there, make it work. Here we go. Okay. Alright, let's see how far this will go. If not, I might have to undo it from the loom. See if I can reach. Yeah, I won't reach. So here we go. I gotta go in a little deeper and take some of this tape off. Do the loom and re-tape it back up. Make it look somewhat decent. So, alright guys. This is tedious work. I don't want to show you all this. Here we go. It's all wired up. Ready to go. Plugged in. Wire loom, extended the wires. I just gotta take the zip ties and clean that up, and that, and that, done. Give you a quick once over. I had to buy this pipe here. Before it used to be a PVC pipe. It's actually metal now. I'm trying to keep it consistent so that it looks good. So, I'm gonna grab my rag out of the way. Got my battery charging because right now I guess it's draining. It's got to draw somewhere, so I gotta mess with that. Next step, headlights, I gotta make sure they work, and the wiper motor, gotta make sure that works too. So I don't have my wipers mounted, so I gotta find out power with a test light, see what's going on. And I don't know if the motor's bad, get a new motor, or get more relays, because I ended up taking a lot of relays out for the factory stuff, so I might have taken the wiper motor relay. So we'll see. If I gotta put a relay to that and a relay to the headlights, then we're good. Don't worry, that's easy for me to do. Next step would be me running the vehicle, taking it out for a spin.